Tired of your money mysteriously disappearing? Feeling like you're constantly broke despite working hard? You're not alone. Millions of people struggle with their finances, and finding a reliable tool to help can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. Today, we're diving deep into the PocketGuard app by Piggyvest. Is it the financial superhero you've been waiting for, or just another app promising miracles? Let's find out. Piggyvest has built a reputation in Nigeria for its innovative savings and investment products. PocketGuard, their budgeting app, aims to simplify your financial life by automatically tracking your expenses, creating budgets, and even suggesting ways to save more. But with your hard-earned money on the line, safety is paramount. Does PocketGuard by Piggyvest keep your data secure and your funds protected? Safety concerns and addressing them. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: security. Piggyvest has a strong track record in Nigeria for data security and compliance with relevant regulations. PocketGuard, being an extension of their services, likely inherits this commitment. However, it's crucial to always double-check the app's privacy policy and understand how your data is collected, used, and protected. Data encryption: look for strong encryption protocols to ensure your financial information is transmitted securely. Two-factor authentication: 2FA enable 2FA for an extra layer of security on your account. Regular software updates: keep the app updated to benefit from the latest security patches and bug fixes. Benefits of using PocketGuard. Despite the security considerations, PocketGuard offers several potential benefits. Automated expense tracking: say goodbye to manual budgeting. PocketGuard automatically categorizes your transactions, giving you a clear picture of where your money is going. Budgeting made easy: set spending limits, track your progress, and receive alerts when you're nearing your budget. Savings goals: define your savings goals and watch PocketGuard suggest ways to achieve them, such as identifying areas where you can cut back. Financial insights: gain valuable insights into your spending habits, identify areas for improvement, and make informed financial decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Remember, while PocketGuard can be a valuable tool, always prioritize your financial security. Research thoroughly, understand the app's privacy policy, and utilize strong security measures to protect your information. Happy saving!